welcome. We are in a time of wish fulfillment. Divine feminine and masculine are manifesting something, but it's through pain. It's understanding how to turn sadness into happiness. It's understanding how to use pain in order to manifest it, and how to act to have our manifestations, to co-create our manifestations. And this has to do with being in Capricorn season and the Ten of Pentacles. Now, within the Ten of Pentacles here, this isn't just being born into wealth. This is having abundance later on in life, middle-aged. This is also, for many, having a fresh start in love, rebuilding a new home, having love that didn't work out previously and having blended family come together, redecorating, moving. This is growth within the materialization of home life. And it has to do with divine feminine and masculine right now working with animals. There's a connection to animals and the feminine understanding how to act in order to manifest. And remember, masculine, you have feminine within you. Feminine, you have masculine within you. We're all doing this as one. We're all doing this united. Connection to the Ten of Cups. And this is emotional fulfillment. This is emotional satisfaction. There's a permanent happiness gained here through emotional support. Something's been activated here with the connection to this otter in the water. It's connected to this manifestation, manifesting through pain, understanding how to act because of pain. And the Three of Cups. So this is connected to karmic situations. And this has to do with the feminine loving the other feminine. And remember, masculine, you have feminine within you too. So if you're caught in a karmic situation, this is loving the karmic as much as you love yourself. We're all one. There's a lesson here. There's a lesson of love. This is healing from jealousy. This is healing from rage. This is healing from wrath. This is work that divine feminine and masculine said that they would come here and do to help the collective heal, to move the evolution of the human race forward. So there is an embrace here. There's an application of love applied to this karmic situation for growth. We're all one. This is healing the community. But this is in a healthy way. This is in a healthy, high vibe way that spirit and the divine are orchestrating. They're orchestrating this. And the Four of Wands, now this has something to do with bearing fruit, the fulfillment of fruit, the sweet nectars of fruit. Remember, things are about to get juicy. They got juicy on New Year's. Divine feminine and masculine are enjoying this, and this has to do with patterning. In order to bear fruit, the masculine and feminine have come together in order to create and this has to do with how things work here. The masculine and the feminine coming together in order to create this fruit. And it's happening on the path of the moon. And being whole. There's a connection again to being whole. That dark has been met with light. That the matter has been met with the feminine. The matter has been met with the energy, the masculine. And there's the two worlds are coming together here in synchronicity, in alignment, the material world and the spiritual plane coming together through the center point as something is manifested here. It has to do, again, with what's happening here with the ship coming in. There was a mystical experience, divine feminine and masculine each had a mystical experience, a deeper connection to God was experienced here. And this amped up manifestation. But it's through wholeness. It was of pain. It was dark. But when it's the darkest, that is when the most light can be seen. And the moon knows something here. The moon knows something we don't, guys. The moon knows something we don't. What is it? It has to do with prosperity and give and expect the universe to give back to you. Believe that you are prosperous already. Have gratitude for everything you have in life. And this is what we've been laser focusing on doing as a collective, is having gratitude for everything we have in our lives, because we know what it's like to have our lives taken away and everything within our life taken away. It's part of this pain. It's part of the pain and understanding how to manifest and be whole here and be grateful for what you already have. Through intuition, look at areas in your life that need decisive action. Search your heart for the right answers. Listen to the messages that come from your intuition and follow through. So the feminine has something to say here with this connection to animals. And this connection to animals has to do with taking a new risk.